Mustang coupe. All right, we got numbers. But you know what? I didn't get your name.
It's Tom Sansucci.
Tom?
Right.
Where are you from?
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire? You got an accent like you're a foreigner. You're not a foreigner?
No.
All right, New Hampshire. They have accents. I told you it was natural.
All right.
All right, so this is what he does, guys. And because there's a lot of car show people, actually, to the guys out there, MustangMedic props to that 2,000 person club in, oh, I forgot the state. You were motivated by MustangMedic and it was created, and I did a post on Facebook. Thank you, guys. Thank you for that. It's been awesome. I used it as an ad. It's gotten me lots and lots of likes. So you guys, I'm giving you MustangMedic props. Back to car shows. This gentleman sells, what are they called?
Show boards.
Show boards. And if anybody who's not familiar with a show board, it's a board that you put in front of your car as people are walking by, and it's artistic, and it helps, what? It helps just give information about the car?
Right.
Is it just pictures, or is it type also?
No, we can do type, and we also do pictures as well.
All right, so you can set up your show boards with this gentleman's business, and I'll do a quick pan of a bunch of show boards he has behind him. How would they reach you?
So
online. This is all over the world.
Showboards.com.
Showboards.com?
Right.
You got that .com?
Yeah, we were probably the originators of the show board.
Yeah, you are, because if you got that domain, you definitely are. So showboards.com, it's that simple. There it is. See, I keep putting type in here, guys. I keep editing, and I'm watching all the video as I'm editing it. There's 15 up now. There's probably gonna be another 15 the way I'm going. It's not even 10 o'clock, right?
Right.
And you can get a show board from this gentleman. I recommend it. This is just a set of examples of what you can get with whatever car you got. Because again, I know not just Mustang people that are watching these videos, but I can't help myself. I'm getting sucked in. And there it is, 1968. Fastback. Is that a billet? No. It's not? What was 68? What was the billet? I can't remember what year it was. Oh my gosh, but that's embarrassing. I'm still going to keep it on because I'm willing to be embarrassed on video. But that is cool. 1968 Mustang Fastback board. And then there's the type you can add to it, your name, engine, transmission, rear, highlights, and whatever you want to say. So this is kind of rare. I don't think a lot of people do this, but they do some nice stuff.
Oh, so I want to show you something else.
All right.
All right, here's my Mustang drawings I have too. These are AmericanAutoArt.com.
All right, here, I'm going to turn the camera on, guys. I'm sure you're sick of seeing my face by now. Oh, and that there is the GT. Oh my gosh, I forgot the name of this car. Tell me the name of this car.
GT.
What?
Ford
Just
GT.
a Ford GT. Oh,
Right.
guys, senior moment. You know I know about GTs. You've seen me in them before. But tell us about the quality of these prints that you sell.
These are G-Clay prints, which is
G-Clay, go ahead.
museum quality prints. They're going to last for about 200 years. It's what a museum would
As long as
have.
your house doesn't burn down.
Right.
Yeah, right. Okay.
And
I had to add that, sorry.
and I draw pictures of all types of cars. Here's my Mustang section.
And you're the artist.
Right.
This is the actual artist that created these posters. Sorry for the shaking, guys. I'm going to get that thing that stops the shaking. But there's he's got a whole Mustang. Oh wait, that's not a Mustang. Now tell me about this. Do you remember the movie that you were in?
Night and Day with Tom Cruise and Cameron Diaz.
Night and Day with Tom Cruise and Cameron Diaz. These posters were in the background during the movie. So if you see them, there they are, and you can actually own them by contact them.
Right.
So, that's one of my favorite cars. I don't think you guys know that. You know, like Corvettes and stuff, and the 78 pace car. But I actually think this Trans Am was awesome. But I also have an experience in a gold one when I was 22, so obviously I'm biased. There you go. There's some Shelbys. Shelby Love right there in the middle. That's a 70 right there. See, I know my cars. Are you impressed?
Yeah.
You're impressed?
I'm very impressed.
Anyway, on and on. We got Camaras, Firebirds, police cars. Not a Nova. What is that? What's the black one? The black one's a Chevelle. 66 Chevelle. He's obviously a very talented artist. Again, I apologize for this focus. It's messing with me today. But tell them one more time how they contact you.
AmericanAutoArt.com.
So AmericanAutoArt.com, guys. Take a look, and you know, again, I got to look at this one because that's just so MustangMedic. It doesn't get any better than that. And there's an AC Cobra. Of course, I had to show you that poster, right? All right, you're probably gonna see the AC Cobra.
Restoration.